Alright, we're going to take a look at one of our websites, gunshopguide.com. This is a website that we've done for many years now. It's one of my favorites. I'm a big fan of gun shops, and this is the site where we store all of our gun shop info. So this is where we archive all of our reviews, we post all of our pictures and links. We've got maps here and all kinds of good stuff. We just posted a few videos about some of the resources we have here. Things like some tips and some gun shop etiquette, so people that might be new to firearms and haven't been to a lot of gun shops or any gun shops might find something interesting here, and people that are like myself really interested in gun shops and visit them all the time might enjoy a visit to the site as well. So we try to keep our sites kind of minimalistic, easy to deal with as far as navigation and finding things. So the main page here is going to give you a brief links or brief set of links here to the areas of the website. You've got a consistent menu over here on the right, and if you scroll down past a couple of pictures there, you basically get right to the list of gun shop reviews, and it's chronologically backwards. So as you go through the list here, you'll basically see the gun shops that we reviewed most recently on the Gun Show Loophole Tour. And then as you get into the archives further and further back, you'll go through other shops that we visited on other legs of the tour, as well as shops that we've just visited over the years. In addition, we break the shops down by state. We also break them down a couple of other ways, and that's what the menus are all about. So we've got all these gun shop reviews in here, and these links here are ways to help sort through them all. So if we go to gun shops right off the bat, we'll see a link here. Not every single state, because we haven't been to every state. I think we got 29 states that we visited so far on the tours. So if you go into any of these, of course you'll find the appropriate shops for that state. There's a link over here, so you can just kind of scroll around and surf through the various states. But if you'd like to get still more specific, you can go to, for example, surplus stores, and that'll just get you straight to a list of the surplus stores that we visited around the country, and then links to the reviews of those stores. Additionally, you can get information on shooting ranges and firearms museums as well. So this is the stuff that we have archived over at gunshopguide.com. We encourage anyone to check it out. Put it in your favorites, and if you are looking for something to scroll around, or if you're traveling and looking for a gun shop, we're going to be building some new functionality in at some point. You know, these are projects, so they're not always the first thing on the list of things to do, but eventually we'll have some ability for people to post their own reviews. You can always suggest a gun shop. I guess I should mention that's in here. We use this website to help recon the areas that we're going to be driving through on the tours. So if anybody wants to suggest a gun shop that we should visit, you can do so here. But additionally, we're going to set it up so that people who are out doing their own reviews of gun shops can collaborate and include their visits as well. We've got a few in here already, but we'll be opening that up to other people going forward. So it's one of our websites, one of our projects, and one of my passions. I really like gun shops, and if you're interested in gun shops, there's lots and lots of pictures in here, and we're always looking for help. If somebody wants to help with some of these projects, let me know. You can email me at gunwebsites@gmail.com, and you can always get a hold of us over at gunchannels.com as well. So that's Gun Shop Guide. That's a bunch of gun shops all over the country and lots of pictures. Let us know in the comments what you think, if you have any questions or concerns, and as always, thanks for watching.